Welcome to this luxurious 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath estate spanning over 6,800 square feet and situated on 11.16 pristine acres. This home has been thoughtfully remodeled and expanded, boasting a cedar exterior and a welcoming entrance that sets the tone for the refined interior. As you step inside, you'll discover an oversized living room with a cozy fireplace, perfect for movie nights or hosting friends. The commercial-style kitchen features top-of-the-line appliances, including a gas cooktop, built-in oven, warming drawer, and a spacious layout ideal for culinary creations. The enormous owner suite offers a private retreat with generous space and comfort, while 3 additional bedrooms provide ample accommodations for family and guests. Beyond the main residence, the estate features a large gazebo, a horse barn with stalls, a heated and air-conditioned workshop, an outdoor commercial kitchen, separate guest quarters, and a swimming pool. The property is adorned with white split-rail fencing and a generous concrete driveway. Don't miss the opportunity to make this extraordinary property your very own. Call Todd Ellinger today.